AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, this is a buzzword from not now. Okay, it is there. Actually, in the 1950s, only this came. 1955 at that time, 50s to 60 at that time only. This AI, some research paper, something, some scientist told about something artificial intelligence. Some by adding some human intelligence to the missions, we can do something. Okay, they've written something about that AI. But the implementation and everything now we are talking about very buzzword. Now, what is this? 2025. So now 2025, people are talking, going crazy about this. If you ask any kid also, is talking something about AI. Okay. Then just go some back, some the 10 years back, some 10 years back, maybe some 2012 to 14. At that time, okay, only industry started to moving. Okay. I mean, lot of things are happened. Okay. And then industry started adapting this AI technologies. Okay, adapting AI technologies. Okay, at that time they started, then they did a lot of POC, lot of POCs, a lot of proof of concepts. POCs, you know, right? Lot of things. Okay, they done lot of things. After doing all these things, now they started implementations. Okay, now all the POCs are done. Now they are doing implementations of the real world use cases. That's why now lot of projects, lot of everybody is talking about AI. Okay, but the back end, it is there. Some 10 years back only they started. 10, 15 years back, we can say. Okay, like this thing. Okay, fine. Next, what about AI? Just adding some human intelligence to the missions. Simply, that is the thing. Adding some human intelligence. What is the meaning of human intelligence here? To whom I have to add? I might have to do some missions. I have to add some missions or some applications. Okay, or anything. It can be a mission, it can be any application. For that application or mission, I am going to add some human intelligence. That is what artificial intelligence. Okay. Okay. Then what are some examples for this? The examples are what are now we are seeing. Come on. You any know any that AI related examples, any applications that you know means you can tell me.
Uh,
Okay.
the applications, see, any applications like, calculations. For example, if we
Mm.
can take a, tax person, whatever they are doing, human things, right? We by
Mm.
applying this, intelligence, we can
Mm.
automate everything.
Yeah.
Nowadays, just take an example of earlier we have Google search, right?
Yeah.
Google search give the many URLs, but whereas when we type something in the chat GP, it will give the specific information based on our inputs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So why? Because we have applied the logic in the backend, like what
Mm.
exactly we are giving the inputs based on the inputs, it's giving the exact information. But Google
Yeah.
search is not like that.
Yeah.
It,
Yeah.
it, it will give a lot of information, but
A lot
again
of
we need to
information it
dig.
will go.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah. So depending upon our keyword, our prompt,
exactly.
now we will get that some required things. Yeah, that is one kind of, yeah. So you are telling that ChatGPT is one kind of example regarding AI. Yeah.
And uh, you can
Apart from
take
ChatGPT. Hmm.
something like pictures also nowadays, by
Hmm.
using this AI tools, we are drawing everything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Photos.
yes,
Yeah.
photos,
Still.
pictures.
Hmm.
uh,
Still anything more?
I can say even tax also people are doing with AI tools.
Okay. Which one?
Tax deductions,
Tax deduction. Yeah,
yes,
IT
yes,
deduction. Yeah, yeah.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
ITR
IT
filing.
deduction something. Yeah, okay. Fine. And we can take that the CIBIL score. Okay.
Yeah, CIBIL
CIBIL
score.
score to calculate
uh,
the CIBIL score.
and even people are not in India, but whereas in abroad, based on the traffic signals and the length of
Hmm.
the traffic, even it will giving the time calculations.
Yeah, it is
Unnecessarily,
already. Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, like the traffic kind of signals. Yeah,
correct,
good. Yeah,
yeah,
traffic signals maintaining. Yeah, I think it is there. I think in Kerala implemented.
yeah, yeah. Recently, I think people implementing.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is fine. Yeah, good. So all these things that you know about the some AI. Okay. Apart, yes, whatever that you told, everything is AI integrated. Okay, chat GPT, photos, track directions, and calculating the CIBIL score, traffic signals. Okay, everything. Okay, you can take here. Here within these examples only, we got a different kind of industries. Okay. So what we can say this some the technical kind of tool, technical kind of tool. Let's say photos is what some personal kind of thing. Okay, tag detection and to calculating CIBIL score, what kind of thing? Some finance kind of thing, right? Some finance kind of activities. Traffic signal, what kind of things here? Some the transportation kind of things. Okay. Hmm. Let's take some entertainment kind of thing. Entertainment. What is the meaning of entertainment here? Some Netflix industry you can take. Okay, that Amazon Prime, Netflix, all these things. The Spotify. Okay, still so many things are there. Okay, entertainment kind of industry. Then let's take some the agriculture industry. You can take some the energy industry. You can take that any industry, infrastructure industry. Okay, like that you can take any industry. Every industry is integrated with the AI. Okay, not only this one. Okay, every industry, if you take entertainment, you can take agriculture, you can take energy sector, you can take infrastructure type sector. Everywhere AI is integrated. That's why there is so much budget about the AI. Okay, AI is not particular to only one industry. AI is particular. We can develop some entertainment kind of things. We can do some human intelligence. No, not only entertainment, not only agriculture, not only energy sector, not only this finance sector, transportation. AI is everywhere. Okay, that's why this much budget. And AI is the new electricity. AI is the new electricity to this generation. What the meaning of electricity? New electricity. How electricity came into the human lives and it changed the lives, right? Definitely, we can say electricity changed the lives, the industrialization. Okay, because of this electricity, industrialization started. Then a lot of jobs are done. Okay, there are a lot of jobs came. Okay, industry started some doing some manufacturing. Okay, so much things are started. Then the electricity may had the crucial role in the human evolvement. Same now. Now this AI is the new electricity to this generation. Then you can just understand, okay, how this AI is going to be made the changes. It's already done. It's already doing a lot of changes, and it will do so many things. Okay, let's take what is this AI? As I told, human intelligence. Within this AI, they are having the concepts of machine learning is there. Okay, within this machine learning, there is a concept of deep learning is there. Okay, within this deep learning, there is a concept of generate AI is there. Okay. Hmm. So what is machine learning? What is deep learning? What is generative AI? We will see one by one, one by one. What is machine learning? The meaning of machine learning is, come on, you know anything about machine learning? Machine learning. You maybe hear this thing, right? Machine learning, deep learning kind of things. Okay. Machine learning, the meaning of machine learning is already they're learning. Okay, learn from the data. That's it. Learn from data. That is the machine learning. Come on, some examples for that. Okay.
I like healthcare.
Healthcare, yeah.
Yes.
Healthcare. The healthcare industry uses.
Uh,
So, yeah, good. Healthcare industry.
uh, Even we can take retail and manufacturing industry as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
Yeah.
as well. You can take that any industry,
Any
okay? You can
industry.
take
Yes.
any
Yes.
industry. You can take any industry because wherever the data is there, okay,
Yeah.
wherever the data is there, you can do some machine learning. Okay, now everywhere data is there, right? Now everywhere data. Okay, why we are now everywhere data is there? Because the technology is evolved like that, right? Technology is evolved like this. Something same like some gadgets and people, the society needs also increase. Okay, the technology evolvement is increasing rapidly. Same way, okay, the the society needs also increasing. Okay, both are similarly they are going. So that's why these new technologies we are using. All these new things, new tools we are going to use. Okay, learning from the data. Data can be everywhere. That's why. Okay, fine. So that's why you can apply the machine learning for any industry. Okay, some example, I am now not going to much into this machine learning. We're just giving some brief example, some example. Then you can understand clearly. Okay, in the later the classes, I will discuss what are the different types of machine learning, those things we will discuss. Okay. For this, I taken one example as some Gmail application. Come on, Gmail. In the Gmail, they implemented machine learning. So where it is there? Come on, try to think and tell.
While composing the email automatically, it can, when we are writing the, email,
Hmm.
right,
Hmm.
automatically, based on our request, automatically it starts giving the suggestions.
Yeah, some suggestions giving. Good.
Yes.
Still, you observe anything anymore?
Uh,
Gmail application. Yeah, good. Yeah, if you observe that one thing, if you open your Gmail, there is some different boxes are there. That is some personal,
yeah, spam, you
yeah,
can say promotions.
promotion,
Nowadays they categorize into multiple things: social,
yeah,
promotions, e-commerce,
social, yeah,
spam.
like this, right?
Yes,
Pro
yes,
personal, promotions, social, and spam also there.
yeah.
Like this, same. How it is working? Automatically, one message is coming
Yes,
to
based
our
on
to
the
our
subject.
inbox.
Yes, based on the subject lines and the content, automatically it's
Yeah,
categorizing and automatically,
yeah.
moving to that particular
Moving to
category.
that particular
Category.
category. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. How it is doing is backend. First of all, they implemented Google is implemented this some not now. Okay, they implemented some 10-15 years back only. They started implementation. Okay, we are getting these boxes some 10-15 years back only. We are getting. I think some 10 to 12 years back only we are getting this kind of things. Okay, the personal promotion, social spam. At that time only they implemented that machine learning topics. Okay, how where they implemented is they taken some data. Okay, they taken some data. For that data, they did some the learning. Okay, so learning they already have lot of data. They are already having lot of emails, right? They're already having lot of emails like some personal emails, promotional emails, social emails, spam email. They are having lot of emails. They taken all these emails together. By taking all these emails together, they've written some, they applied some algorithm. They implemented some algorithm. What the meaning of algorithm here is, okay, the algorithm is having some structure. Okay, depending upon the business problem, we can choose that algorithm. Okay, in the machine learning, we're having different kind of algorithms like linear regression, okay, logistic regression, then support vector mission, decision tree, random forest, okay, k nearest neighbor. So many algorithms are there. Okay. Depending upon our business problem. What is my business problem here? My business problem is I want to do some categorization by taking this data. By taking a lot of emails, I want to categorize personal as the personal, promotion as promotion, social as social, spam as spam. I want to categorize. So for that backend, I can use any one of these algorithms. Okay, I use that. Then I will get some results. After applying that algorithm, I will get some results. What results I will get? Maybe actually it is personal. Actually, it is personal message. But my algorithm is predicted what? It is not personal. It is as a some professional. It is as a some promotion. Actually, it is promotion. Okay. Why I am telling that actual? Because I taken already previous data. Okay. Previous data. Previous data means what? Already they are telling about this is the mail is about some the promotion kind of mail. I know that that is a promotion kind of mail. I know that that is a some the social kind of mail. Okay, already it is having some labels. Okay, this mail is regarding some promotion. This mail is regarding some social. This mail is regarding some spam. Already they are having some labels for that. Okay, that labeled data only I'm taking. Okay, now I'm checking that after applying my algorithm, is I got the correct answer or not. Okay, actually it is a some personal email, but my algorithm predicted that like promotion. Actually, it's promotion. My algorithm predicted as some spam. Now we have to check it. What here we are doing some. So here what happening? That we are missing something, right? Actually, personal promotion. Actually, promotion it is spam. So we are missing. Then what we have to do? The results are not coming. We are not getting good results. Then what we will choose? We will choose that some other algorithm. Maybe that algorithm what we choose that might be not work. Then we can choose some other algorithm. Some other algorithm we can choose. Then we can implement that. Then we can see the results, how much results are getting. For first algorithm, okay, for first algorithm getting some 50% results. Okay, fine. Then I leave it. Then I can choose the second algorithm. For second algorithm, I'm getting some 80% results. Then which algorithm I can choose? I can choose this 80% algorithm, 80%. So 80% it is getting some good results. Then for this, on top of this 80% algorithm, I can see any some other algorithms are there or not, I can check. I can use any some other algorithms is suitable for this kind of business problem. Yes, it is suitable means I can again apply some other, the third algorithm also I can apply. No, there is no alternatives are there. This is the only one you are having means. Then for this 80, how I can make this 80 to 90? 99, how I can make this 90 to 95 with accurately. More accuracy I want. How to improve this accuracy? Like this. Okay. This is how the structure should be. Okay. Data. After the data, some business problem. For that business problem, I have some data. For the data, I have to make some learning. For that learning, I can choose any kind of algorithm in the machine learning. For after choosing that algorithms, I can implement different algorithms depending upon the business problem. After implementing the business different algorithms, I can check the results, how much accurately it is we are getting the answers. Then which is the highest accuracy, 50, 80, 70 like this. Then I can choose the that 81. 80% thing I'm getting good results. Then I can choose that algorithm. That's it. Then for that 80, how to maintain some 1995. I can do some more research on top of that. That's it. This is how one business simple kind of thing it will work. Understood? Then after that, getting the good results, they will deploy that into the real time. Because we can't deploy that 50% model, right? We'll get some the negative things only. This is how the simple machine learning will work. Did you understood? Uday?
Yes, yes, I understood.
Yeah. Let's take that some credit score. Okay. Let's take some credit. I want one more example I'm telling. Let's take this credit score. How this credit score will work. Okay. How we are getting. Okay. Let's imagine. By depending upon credit score, let's take this. There are a lot of loan applications, right? There are a lot of loan applications are there. A lot of loan applications are there. Not only loan application, the banks also they are using. These banks are using. Okay, apart from the bank, some the NBFCs, non-banking financial companies are there. Okay, non-banking financial companies. Okay, they are also providing some loans. Banks also providing some loans. What all that they did is they integrated AI. They integrated AI into their systems. Then what is happening is, if you apply any loan by using your details, okay, your name, your mobile number, your some details we will give. Okay, then by taking all these things, what they are going to do is automatically they are collecting our data. What kind of data they are collecting? They are collecting what is the username, what is the account number, what is the account number linked to this mobile number. Okay, then all the details, some Aadhaar card details, everything will come, PAN card details, every details is coming. Apart from these details, how many bank accounts is having, how many bank accounts is having. Okay, depending upon the mobile number. Okay, one or two. How many credit card is having? Three credit cards is having. Okay, for the three credit cards, how much score he used that? Is this paying the maybe some 1 lakh credit card is there, some 50,000 credit card is there, some 30,000 credit card is there. Okay, for within the 1 lakh, how much he used that? Maybe 80 used, 50, 40 used, the 30, so 20 used. Next, how many the personal loans he taken? How many home loans he taken? Personal loans he taken? With the banks, how many he taken? With the non-banking financial companies, how many he taken? Everything they will get. Okay, everything. How many loans he taken? So how this backend, this machine learning is AI will work is for each thing it is going to take. It is the data. Okay, how AI is integrated here is this is the data for AI. What is the data here? How many bank accounts he is having? Two bank accounts. How many credit card is having? Three credit cards. How much account he used? Some 90% 99% he using. And second card using some 80%. Third card using 90%. Okay. How much the personal loans he taken? Okay. Some the 20% loans he taken. Let's imagine. Okay. Then home loans are there or not? Yes, home loans are also there. Okay. One home loan is there. Okay, we can take that personal loans, right? You can take personal number of loans. These loan applications are providing it's NBFC. Okay, non-banking finance companies are giving n number of personal loans. Okay, so many things are there now. Okay, fine. So much. These are all data for that that AI algorithm. Okay, for that AI algorithm, these are all data. Okay, this is it going to take all these things as a data. By taking all this data, then to give loan or not, it is going to decide. To give loan for this person or not is going to decide. Okay. By taking these details, can we get the loan or not? Come on, you can tell me. 80%, 40%, 20%, total taken some 20 personal loans, one home loan is there. Then again, he's applying for some loan. Okay, that is decided by the not an human. Human is not deciding. What is deciding? Artificial intelligence is deciding. Some backend, some algorithm is deciding that to give the loan or not. Then automatically within the few seconds that you will get, sorry for the inconvenience, we can't process that loan right now. Like this, we'll get the message. Okay, why? That is decided by not a human. That is decided by the artificial intelligence. Okay, it is taken each details of each data. Each data they taken a lot of things. Okay, by taking all of things, it applies one algorithm. I told different algorithms, right? Some algorithm is applied. For that algorithm applied, then it told that some negative is there. Then don't give loan like this. That's it. Understood? This is how a simple credit score is going to be by depending upon it, and then calculate some credit scores also come. Okay, this by taking the data of our financial things to give loan or not is going to be decided. Okay, this is the data for that algorithm for model. This is about some machine learning. Okay, machine learning kind of examples these two. Now let's move to the deep learning. The meaning of deep learning here is the deep learning is within the part of machine learning only. It is a part of machine learning only. Okay. Then what is the meaning here? Deep learning. I want to do some analysis on top of images, some videos. I want to do some analysis. Okay. Then normal these machine learning algorithms are not capable. Okay. I told some different algorithms, right? Some logistic regression, linear regression, support vector mission, some k-nearest neighbor. So these models are not enough to do this kind of activities. Okay. For this, we need some architecture, different architectures we need. Okay. Different architectures we need. Those architectures meanings are convolutional neural networks, and recurrent neural networks, something are there. Okay, by using these different architectures, we can do some analysis of these images, analysis of videos, and analysis of some more thing. Okay, some extra things. We will get some accurate results here. We will get some accurate results. Why we get some accurate results is this deep learning is going to follow neural network kind of architecture. Neural network. What is the meaning of neural network? What exactly meaning? Okay, I just show some more. In our brain, some neurons should be there, right? Let's take this is our brain. Okay, some neurons like this. Every neuron is some interlinked. Okay, neurons. If you ask some, what is the 17 to the 17 fives are, then automatically our neuron is going to be activate. Okay, what is the 17 fives are? Okay, maybe in our school days or anyway that we read about 17 fives are how much. Okay, it might be stored in somewhere, or otherwise within the spontaneously it is going to be calculated. It can be anything. Okay, right? Oh, so what is your provision means you are telling something. That means what is stored in our neuron. That's why we are getting within the few seconds we are telling something. Okay, if it is not stored in our neuron, then we can't say that. Maybe we can think and tell lately. That is what the late response. Sometimes a late response will come. Sometimes if the neuron is active means actively we can tell. Okay, let's imagine that the students are maybe the student like people are interested about some movies. Okay, if you ask any movie related information, they will get within a few seconds. Okay, what is the movie name? What is the thing? What the director means? You will tell within the few seconds. The meaning is what? The neuron is very active. The neuron is very active. That's why he will tell very fastly. If you ask some study related thing, he will think that okay, he will say some late reply. The meaning of late reply is what? The neuron is not active. Okay, this is not active. That's right. This is how backend in our mind the neurons concept will work. So same concept they implementing in the deep learning. Same kind of this architecture they are done in the deep learning. Okay, because of this, see each neuron is interlinked with each one like this. So in the deep learning also they will implement same kind of architecture. More about this architecture kind of thing we'll discuss later. Okay, in the coming classes, you will get to know. But this is what exactly deep learning is. Okay. It will follow the neural network kind of thing. Okay, fine. Then what kind of things I can do here? I can do some healthcare industry. Okay, by using healthcare industry, what I can do? I can do some cancer detections. By using this deep learning, cancer detections I can do from medical images. Okay, some medical images should be there, right? By taking that medical images of that the patients, can we that person can get the cancer or not? We can do some predictions. We can do some predictions. Okay, like this. And one best example is photos. Okay, in the Google, do you have the Google Photos?
Yes.
Yeah, and if you go to the Google Photos, it is automatically going to show the pixel are all yours into one. One symbol will come, one for the photo will come, that your face will be there. And the beside some other person, maybe your mom, dad, okay, some kids, whatever there. Everybody is going to be, grouping is done, okay, depending upon the images. How it is done, how it is going to done. Okay, if you click on your image, then automatically all the images, all images related to you will come. If you click on your mom image, then all images related to mom will come. Dot means dot images will come. How it is doing backend? Just imagine that. Okay, this is the Google implemented few years back. Okay, I think some 5, 6, maybe 8 years back or 9 years back. I think. Okay, this feature is Google implemented. Okay, how it is coming? That means how it is checking that each image. Okay, how it is the separating each image. That is the very big task, right? Not we are doing, it is doing automatically, separating that. Yeah, maybe some 90%, 90 to 95% accuracy might be there. Okay, the meaning is maybe that is not our picture, but it is predicting that that is your picture. Means that is what that meaning what this is not you, this is your mom picture. It is showing some other into in your mom picture means what? It is not performing well. That algorithm is not performing well. That meaning is that is the thing. Okay, then so that's why some 90%, 95% maybe some little some the errors might be there. Some errors might be there, but maximum 90 to 95%, which is the model is getting good results, they are going to deploy that into the real time. Okay. Yeah. So they follow this deep learning architecture. Google Photos is following the deep learning architecture, and this convolution neural network kind of things are going to be implemented in the backend. Okay. How it is going to be implemented? Just simple, I will say. Let's take our image. Okay. This is your image. Okay. Mm. So what is the image? Yeah. Each each image is having some pixels. Okay. The images are what we can say pixels, right? What is the meaning of pixels? Each pixel is you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pixels are there. And here also some pixels are there. If you take one pixel, what will get? Some 300 by 300 pixel will get. What is the meaning of 300 by 300? That is 300 width, 300 length. Width, length. It is 600 by 600 means 600 by 600 length, 600 width, like this. Different pixels, okay. And each pixel having some value. Each pixel having some numerical value, okay. Each pixel will have some numerical value. What is the numerical value? 0 to 255, some values will be there. Each pixel. That means, let's take this example, 300 into 300 pixel, that is. Okay. 300 to 300 pixel, okay. This is 300, okay. And this is 300. This is 300. Okay. Each pixel like this, 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 like this. Some 300, like this, like this, like this, like this, some 300. So on. Okay. Let's imagine in this image, your face is there here. Okay. Your face is there here. Okay. So each pixels. Then what I told? I told that each pixel will contain some value. Okay. Each pixel is containing some value. The values are between 0 to 255. Okay, then automatically what this deep learning is going to do is it's going to collect that, is going to take these images. Okay, after taking that images, then it's going to be take the pixel values. Each pixel values it will take. Okay, what are the pixel values here? From it might be some 0, it might be some 1, it might be 2. Okay, if it is having some bright means some that 150, 200 will come. It is very low means low lighting. There is no lighting. Dark kind of thing means you'll get the pixel value there. Some the 10, 20 like this will get. Okay. Yeah, fine. It might be 0, it might be 1, it might be some 50, it might be 60, like this will get. Okay, like this. Each pixel value is going to take. After taking that pixel value, then it is going to detect the object, detecting the object. Okay, after pixel values, I'm writing above, detecting the object. Let us take face, right? We've taken the face, detecting the face. Okay, it detects the face. Where it is going to detect the face? What is the pixel here? What is the pixel here? And what is the pixel here? Is going to decide. Okay, it's going to take. And what is the pixel here? What is the pixel? What is the where the eyes are coming? Nose, mouth. Okay, it's going to detect that. Okay, for each pixel, it's going to detect that, something like this. Okay, detect the face. Now, that's it. This is how the object detection is going to done. So like this, it's take the pixel values, detecting the face. After detecting the face, for this, we are going to apply some deep learning architecture. In the deep learning also, there is something, different models are there. In the model, there is a convolution neural network kind of model is there. Apart from this convolution neural network model, there are some other basic models also there. Okay. We can say models are algorithms. Okay. Those things we can apply. That's it. Okay. I will try to show you one example also later. Okay. This is one thing. Okay. Like this, I want to do. These things are, it involves a lot of things, right? It involves a lot of steps are there. Images into pixel values. After pixel values into detecting the faces, detect the eyes, detect the nose, detect the mouth, how it is going to detect. Okay. Each thing. Okay. It follows different kind of the structure. Okay. Like this is going to follow. So these kind of things we can't do in with the machine learning. With the simple machine learning we can do, but what we can do is we will lose some, we can't get accurate. We can't get accurate. Yeah, we might get some 80%, some 90%, but it's not much accurate. I want some 95%, 99% avoidments we can't get by using machine learning models. Okay, that's why we are going for deep learning models. These deep learning models, damn sure that I can say 95, 96, 97, 99% we will get some good accuracy. Definitely we can get good accuracy by using these deep learning models. Okay. That's it. This is about the one example regarding the deep learning. Okay, I hope you understood. Any doubts means you can ask me. Any doubt in this deep learning concept? Okay, and this deep learning not only for images. Okay, this is about images kind of thing. And this image kind of thing, doing some analysis, we can call it as a computer vision. Computer vision. What is the computer vision? Okay, the meaning of computer vision is how you are handling these images. Okay, how you are handling images. The images are having different formats, right? Okay, what are the different formats? It can be JPG format. Okay, this is a different FIGIF format. There are so many different formats are there. Okay, all those formats, how we are doing some analysis. Okay, so for this is what this computer vision topics is going to be deep. Okay, this also comes under this within the AI only. This comes. Okay, within the AI only it's come. Then we are going to do. Let's try to show one example. Then we'll get understanding. I will go here. I will try to show one example here. Think AI. Okay. Yeah, I think it is the code. I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's try to is the example I want to show. Let's try to execute this once. Okay. Then I can discuss about this coding. Okay. Let's once I will execute once. Yeah. What's happening? Try to see here. See some object detection. What is detecting? Try to see here. What is doing? You get some rectangular thing, right? Rectangular box came. Okay. Hmm. Then Wherever my face is there, it is going to showing that. See, okay. This is one basic kind of machine learning. Okay, this is basic kind of thing. See, where my face, the eyes and nose and my mouth is there, there is showing. Okay, fine. Let's try to quit. And try to observe that frame. Okay, my frame came fully right. So what's happening here? Okay, this is one library. Okay, this is some face detection algorithm. Okay, I told the different algorithms are there, right? This is one face detection algorithm. Okay, I use that face detection algorithm. They are already the trained algorithm. Okay, this algorithm, what it's going to do is, it's going to detect the face. It's going to detect the face. Okay, then for this, what I'm going to do is, I open my webcam. Okay, I opened my webcam. For this, I've written one function. Okay, this is the function. This is the code of Python. In the Python, this is the code. Okay, opening the webcam. Webcam is open. After opening the webcam, what I did is while true. The meaning of while true is this is the infinite loop. Okay, infinite loop. The meaning of infinite loop is, what is the meaning? Keep on, it is capturing. Keep on capture. Keep on capture. Okay, keep on capturing. Okay. So whenever I say queue, whenever I enter the queue, then only it came out of that webcam. You observe, right? Okay. See, I'm running this run module. Okay. Then it's going to keep on capturing. Keep on capturing. Okay. Whenever I say queue, then only it's going to be stop. Queue, quit. That's it. Okay. This is how the face detection. Okay. So that's why while true. Okay. Capturing the frame by frame. Capturing the frame by frame. Okay. By capturing the frame by frame, then only we can call it as that is a one video, right? By adding all the frames, that is a video. Fine. Now, frame by frame, that is, it is become one image. That frame is become one image. Now that image I am converting into grayscale. Why you converting into grayscale? Why I am going to convert in grayscale is because this face detection algorithm will work for this her cascade algorithm is one algorithm. Okay, this algorithm will work for grayscale. If you convert that image into grayscale, it it will work very good. That's why I'm converting into grayscale. Grayscale means from black and white color. Okay, like that. Okay. Then after converting that into grayscale, then I'm going to detecting the faces in the frame. I'm going to detect the faces in the frame. After detecting the faces, then what I'm going to do? I want to draw one rectangle around the detected faces. Okay, wherever the faces are there, I'm going to get the rectangle. If you observe that, you got the rectangle for my face only, right? Within the my face only, you got the rectangle. How we are getting that? We written some code here. Okay, try to draw some rectangle. Okay, don't think much about this coding. Okay, okay, while these things will come, we will discuss. But just now, try to understand how that one algorithm is going to do. This is one algorithm. Okay, just I loaded here how this algorithm is working. Okay, within the 10 lines of code, it is going to detecting. Now, this is the draw rectangle for this, then displaying the results. After drawing the rectangle, I want to show the results, right? That's it. The display the result frame. Then exit the loop. If Q is pressed, exit. That's it. If you came out of the means, then automatically switch off the video capture the release. Capture, close the windows. Try to close the window. Open the window, won't go. Window will open, right? Try to close that window. That's it. This is a simple algorithm, face detection algorithm is going to be work. Okay, very, very simple one. Okay. So how that her cascade, I told that her cascade algorithm, her cascade algorithm, I told that. Okay. What they did is they take a lot of data. They take a lot of face detection. That is a popular face detection algorithm. Okay. They take a lot of faces as a data. Lot of faces as a data. By taking lot of faces as a data, they trained that. Okay. They trained that. They trained is that model is working perfectly or not. They trained that. Giving training, as I told in the previous example, for taking Gmail. Okay, in the Gmail, there is some personal is there, promotion is there, and some spam is there, some the social kind of boxes will come, right? So how it is going to automatically is going to be separating, coming into personal, coming into promotional, coming into spam, social. They're trying to that. So same like here also. Their training is that this is some eye or not. Okay, eye detection, nose detection, mouth detection, everything is detecting. Okay, detecting eyes, nose, mouth. Then it detecting perfectly. Then within this thing, I'm getting some box, rectangular box I'm going to draw. That's it. For this only I've written some code. For this rectangular to get the rectangular box only I've written some code. I use just directly this algorithm. Okay. I hope you understood. Okay. Simple model only, right? And I tell one and again one more point is if you take this is the frame. Okay, this is the frame where I got my image. My face I got here only, right? This is my whole frame. Okay. Now, as I told that, what is the pixel of this frame? What is the pixel of this frame? Okay. Let's imagine this is the pixel of some 600 into 600 pixel. That is 600 width, 600 is width, height. 600, 600. Okay. In this 600, where exactly my face is coming? What is the pixel point here? And from here to here, where is the pixel point here? The algorithm is detecting this is where your eyes are coming. Okay, now it is getting something. Okay, now what I can do? I want to draw one rectangular. I want to draw one rectangular like this. So I will start the rectangular from this point, from this point, from this point like this. I will give some values. Okay, then only I'm getting some rectangular like this. Okay, just how we are getting rectangular, just I'm telling this. Okay, we're adding this point. We are adding this point and this pixel point I'm adding this pixel position. Okay, what is the pixel position? Maybe this is what I told 600, right? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. Maybe this is 300 pixel. 300 pixel. Here it is coming. Maybe here it is the 400. Okay. 300, 400. These values it is going to take it. And here also same, right? This is 300. This might be some 400 like this. Like this, these values it is going to take. Then we are getting some rectangle. Okay, just explanation of that coding. Okay. No need to do much about that. Just leave that. Okay. Like this, how one algorithm is going to be work. A simple face detection. Okay. Now let's move to the natural language processing. What is NLP? Any idea about NLP? Come on, anybody? Natural language processing. Anyone? As we discuss different kind of applications, whatever that we are using the real time only. Okay. Because then only you can understand them clearly. Okay. That's why I taken this real time application, how it is working. Come on. Natural language processing kind of application that anybody, anything you know. Okay, I will give some clue. The meaning of natural language processing is doing some text analysis. Doing some text analysis. Come on, you can tell. No. Come on, Uday. You told something in the email. It is giving some suggestions you told. Automatically, if you're writing something means it is giving some suggestions we are taking, right? Uday, are you there?
Yes, yes, Kumar.
Yeah, yeah. So if some email is coming, okay, for
Okay.
that email you want to reply. Okay, then what is happening? You are entering something. You are
Yes,
entering
based on my inputs, automatically it starts giving
Yeah.
the suggestions.
Based on your inputs, thank you are writing something, then it is giving some suggestions. Okay, how it is coming, how it is getting the suggestions. That is
Ba-
NLP.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, that is natural language processing. So understand taking our inputs, by taking our inputs, it is going to giving some suggestions. Taking our inputs, taking some suggestions. Okay, maybe this is the input. This total email is the input. This total email is taking as a input and it is give some suggestion to direct it, right? Directly how to respond to this mail also it is giving some suggestions. Sometimes it will give some automated suggestions. We need to just print, we have to just to click that, then automatically that suggestion will, the text will come, then we will send. No need to write those things also. Okay, this is also NLP. And coming after entering something, we will get some suggestion one by one each word. There is also suggestions. There is also natural language processing kind of thing. Okay. And if you take this the real-time way, okay, you can this natural language processing is implemented in many ways. Okay, many ways. If you take this the Swiggy Zomato, okay, Swiggy, Zomato, are they having a, they integrated that AI chatbots? AI chatbots. What are the chatbots? The chatbots are they are going to do some interaction with the customer. Okay. What is the interaction? What is your order ID? I enter into Swiggy app or Zomato app. Okay. Or it can be any banking application. Now banks also, not only Swiggy, Zomato. Now banks also implemented. Do you know that banks also implemented these chatbots? The 2 years back, I read an article in the Hindu. That is, wait, article in the Hindu. That is, banks are customer satisfaction with the bank. The article is regarding customer satisfaction banks by integrating AI. By integrating AI chatbots. Okay, is increased. The thing is increased. Okay, that's the thing. Because of the chatbots, the customer satisfaction is increased. That is what they told. Okay, what is the meaning? How these chatbots are, how this natural language processing, how it is going to changing the things. Come on, tell. Let's take how the bank is there. I'm a customer of that bank. Now, what I could, I have some problem. Okay, I have some problem. For that problem, what I have to do? I have to go to the bank branch. The previous day, I have to consult the bank branch or I have to call customer care. I have to call customer care. These kind of things we have to do. For if you go to the bank branch means definitely some 1 hour, 2 hour, some time will take. The calling the customer care also not an easy thing. Call connection, all the things are right. It will take a lot of time. And after that, they will take our whatever that we will take. They will consider all the things. Two things that we can do. But now, yeah, now also is good things. By visiting the branch, we can do now. By visiting the call customer care also we can do now. Okay, that is the thing. But now what they did is because of the chatbots integrated into you, this banking systems, now I got some issue regarding my the credit card. Then what I can say, I can directly go to the banking application. I can use that AI integrated chatbot. Okay, I just click that, then it will come. What is your issue? It will tell. Then I can answer. This is my transaction. I did something. Okay, then within the few seconds, right? Within the few seconds that we are accessing, it is getting, we are making some communication by using the chatbots, right? So whatever that we will give some information. Depending upon that information, it will take that. Okay, for this information. Okay, this is that yesterday you done some the 5 transaction that you done. These are transaction. In this transaction, which one you are going to tell? Then you will tell that you can choose that which transaction. So this one. Okay, last one. Last one is done some issues. Okay. Then the regarding this issue, I what chatbot is going to tell? I inform to regarding departments. They will contact you. Then what is happening? Within the few seconds, within the few seconds, the customer is going to get some satisfaction, right? Yes, okay, we done something. Maybe after that, we'll get the call from the, okay, the depending upon the problem, the respective department is going to get some that alerts. Respective departments get some alerts. Okay, these are some the customer. Okay, having some that mobile number, some one something is having some credit card issue regarding these problems. Okay, credit card issue, some processing, some issue. In the transactions also, each transaction is will going to be having different kind of things, right? Maybe we'll get some different kind of problems. I mean, what? Maybe the amount is going to be detected. Okay, amount detected, but not settled. This is one kind of problem. What is the next problem? Some that unknown things are. Unknown things means what? Let's imagine some unknown person, some unknown, some third party detected some amount. Some the 1,000 rupees are detected. Some unknown party. We don't know who detected the 1,000. But we got some message. Some 1,000 is detected from your credit card. Then we have to consult like this. Different kind of problems. Okay, for the different kind of problems, different kind of alerts will come. Those alerts are go to the department depending upon the problem. They will go to the those departments. Those department people is going to be called and they will talk to us. Or otherwise, automatically those problems are solved. That's the thing that. So that's why the customer satisfaction is getting very good response by integrating this AI chatbots. Okay. That is the thing. These are simple chatbots. Now, not only banking, not only anywhere, everybody is integrating these chatbots. Okay. Who are doing some business, everyone is started integrating the chatbots. Okay. That's it. Then the topic is generative AI. What is generative AI? The meaning of generative AI is generating text. I can generate text. I can generate images. I can generate PPTs. I can generate some coding. Okay, I can generate some images, right? Images, some videos also now, the ChatGPT, the Sora model they implemented, right? By using that, we are getting some videos also, from few seconds videos also we are getting generating by simply some entering some text. Hmm. Google also integrated, right? Google also implemented. The Gemini, they implemented some images, videos also coming. Okay, so on. Okay, what are some examples here? Okay, now the best example is ChatGPT. ChatGPT and Gemini. Okay, all these things are best examples. Let's take the ChatGPT, how it is work. I'm maintaining what is Python. Then what is coming? It is getting a lot of information regarding Python. Python is something, something, Python is something. They developed some person, some information foundations, and what are the Python features, all the things will come automatically. How the information is we are getting. Okay, we entered some text, what is Python. Then the text is, after entering the text, we get some information. Okay, how they are getting is, they trained that model. They trained it. In the previously, how we get, in the previously, we will have some Google. Google is some search engine. We'll go to the Google, we'll enter that what is Python. If you enter what is Python in the Google, what you will get? We will get n number of pages will come, n number of sites. Okay, n number of sites is going to show what is Python, exact matching, keyword matching. Okay, it is going to show so many things. We can use some. We will open one by one with the new tab. Open link in a new tab. Open link new tab. Open link in a new tab. Like this, we will open and we will read. We will read each content separately. And after reading that, maybe we will connect to anyone. Maybe we felt this site is that perfect understanding that you are getting means, then we will follow this kind of things in this site. This is what we can do the previously. Now, what ChatGPT is doing, whatever you are opening in the different windows, all the thing I'm going to just summarizing these things and I'm going to show simply within the one window. That is what ChatGPT is doing. Okay, it is summarizing that what are the content is there and it's showing within the one page. That's why people are not going to Google now. They are going to the ChatGPT and they are entering whatever they want. Okay, they're getting some summarization some regarding things. Then I want some more technically depth things I want means, then you can use it depending upon your requirement. Those prompts you have to enter. Okay, I want more understanding about Python. I want some more technical depth. Try to give some clear understanding. Then you will get some more things, extra things it will get. This is how it is working. Then let's just imagine how the chat GPT backend they tried. This also they implemented one model, implemented for an algorithm. As I told that, okay, for machine learning, we have some algorithms. For deep learning, we have some algorithms. Okay, for this generative AI also, we have some algorithms. Okay, different algorithms are there, models are there. Okay, then depending upon that our situation, we can choose. For text kind of analysis, I can do means, for the text kind of analysis, some algorithms are there. Image kind of thing, for algorithms are there. Coding, videos, those things we can choose. Those structure we have to follow. That's it. Nothing more than that. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you,
Yeah, yeah,
Kumar.
please.
I
Yeah,
have one doubt. Like,
yeah, please.
uh, see, there are, again in AI and Gen AI, but
Hmm.
I used to, see some jobs like, there are separate Gen AI jobs.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, AI engineer and these are different.
Okay.
I just wanted to know the, exact difference. Like,
Okay. Actually, the thing what happened is, okay,
yeah,
within the AI only all these things will come. Okay. You might be see about the machine learning engineers. You might be saw regarding about the deep learning engineers. You might be see the NLP engineers.
correct.
Okay, NLP engineers and the computer vision specialist they want. Okay, and now the latest one is generative. They added latest one generative. All the things will come within the AI only.
Okay.
Okay, all the things are AI only, different things because this is very big thing. AI is not a very small one. It's a very big thing. Okay, depending upon the requirement, depending upon the client requirement. Maybe they are having some generative AI kind of projects. Okay, then what they can say? Then they will directly say some generative AI engineer they want. Okay, they want to generate some new kind of thing. They want to generate some image kind of things. They want to generate some text kind of thing. Okay, then they can go for generate AI. No, there is some computer vision specialist. They want to do some image kind of analysis they want. Image kind of analysis they want. Okay, then what they can do? They can give title as computer vision expert they want. Like this they will give. No, there is regarding some the text analysis, natural language processing. They want some chartboards. They want some chartboards kind of thing. Then they can, special they will give some NLP kind of thing. No, they want both NLP and computer vision. They must have some understanding. Then they can directly give the title as deep learning engineer. They can give. Okay, who can do some deep learning algorithms. Like this, we are having some title. That's it. All the things will comes under which is the AI only. Okay. The meaning here is then which one we have to learn is that's the question. Okay, which one I can go, which I can go, machine learning or deep learning or NLP, computer vision, which I have to choose. That is your option. But the thing is, you can't choose any one here. Okay, as a new one, you are already new student. Let's imagine you don't know anything about AI. Now, if you want to start your career means automatically you are starting on generative AI is you can't start that. Okay, you can't start automatically generative. You must know what is machine learning. You must know what is deep learning. You must know what is natural language processing. Okay, then only you get to into this generative AI. You can't do directly into the generative AI. Okay, no, I want deep learning. If you want to know deep learning, you no need to know get to start with the generative AI. You will start with the machine learning. This is the structure. This is the some index. Okay, you have to know about in machine learning foundations. If you want to know deep learning, you must know about the machine learning. Okay. If you want to know NLP, you must know what is the machine learning, what is deep learning. If you want to know computer vision, you must know about what is deep learning, what is computer vision. Okay. Sorry, what is machine learning. You want to know generative AI means you must know machine learning, deep learning, this NLP, computer vision, all are the foundation will come. These are our foundations. Then on top of generative AI, you can choose that like this. Okay.
So in this course, are we going to cover all the modules?
Yeah, in this course, we are going to cover all the things. We are going to cover the machine learning, we are going to cover the deep learning, we are cover the NLP and computer vision, and we are going to cover the generative AI also.
In general, how long it takes to complete, to learn all these modules?
Yeah, total some the 90 hours there.
Okay, three to 4 months, right?
3 to 4 months it will take.
And what are the prerequisites, required to learn this course?
Yeah, to learn the prerequisite, you have to get to know about the Python. Okay, there's no prerequisites are there. The prerequisites are we will teach within this course, we can teach the Python only.
Okay, we'll
Okay.
start with basic Python, then we'll
We can
move
start
into
with
the all modules, right?
yeah, yes. We can start with the Python basics for the foundations. Then we can move to the some maths also. Why maths is okay? Maths essentials also need. Why maths is here? I told machine learning having some algorithms, deep learning having some algorithms. I told for each algorithm, okay, having backend some maths is there. For each algorithm, backend some maths will come. So that's why you get to know about some maths also, basics. Okay, not the deep one. Whatever that we studied in our the 9th class, 10th class maths, same things only.
Do we
Okay.
need stats as well?
Yeah, stats also. It's in the maths, the stats
Okay,
also we can include. Okay,
okay,
stats and probability,
okay.
some calculus, linear algebra, all these things, some basics only. Okay. Those things only will come. Okay, fine. That's it. Yeah. This is about the Python maths, the essentials that we will need for this entire course. The machine learning, deep learning, and NLP, computer vision, and the final one is generative AI. All these things that we are going to discuss. Okay. Yeah, any doubts, means you can ask me. Any doubts in the today's session? You can ask me whatever the doubts you are having. Okay. So now what happened is now industry is moving. A lot of they are making a lot of generative AI products. That's why there is now generative has become very buzzword. Okay. Now the companies, the clients, the projects are getting a lot of generative AI. They want some automatic text generation. Okay. I want to generate some text. I want to generate some image. Okay. Let's take that one thing. Few months back it became one the popular one, right? The chat GPT. What I forgot that name. ChatGPT, we'll go there, we will give our image means some art kind of image it will come, right? What the image are, that forgot the name. It become very popular. We have to import our image into the ChatGPT. Then we will enter that art.
Copilot,
Not
Copilot
not
way.
not yeah. Copilot is integrated with AI only.
Yeah,
Apart from Copilot, this ChatGPT, I forgot that name. Yeah, some art will come, right? Some art we will import our image. We will convert that into different. Then some art kind of images will come. Bigil art or something.
correct, correct.
Something is there. Yeah, forgot that exact the keyword. Okay, the word that they use something. So how it is done? We given our normal image, right? We given our normal image. That normal image is going to be converted into that different kind of art. Okay, like this. Okay, that is what image generation, right? We are giving some image, generating some new image, like this. Okay, like this. There are so many things are now happening. Okay, now every companies are every the business people are implementing this generative AI kind of products. Generative kind of products they are implementing. So that's why we are seeing a lot of job openings on top of this keyword, generative AI jobs, generative AI engineers that we are seeing. Okay, that's it. Now the latest things are multi-agents. Okay, that we can say now agentic AI. What is the meaning of agentic AI? Okay, these also within the part of the generative AI only. Now, what is the meaning of agentic AI? The meaning of agentic AI is okay. The previous what we can do, we can go to the chat GPT, we'll enter what is Python, now, like this way. Let's imagine I want to do some task. Okay, I want to book some ticket. I will go to the chat GPT. I want to book some train ticket from which this place to this place in India, from Hyderabad to New Delhi. I told that. Then what the ChatGPT will give? ChatGPT will give what are different ways that you can book that. It will take, okay, you can go to the some IRCTC or some other like Axivo, Go, Avigo, something it will take. You will go there, you can try to enter from end something like it will give the some details about that, how to book that. Now what will become this agentic AI means they will book automatically. Okay, it will give just prompt. Okay, which will give just your prompt. I want to book a ticket from New Delhi, some Hyderabad to New Delhi, book it. From you will give your requirement some AC coach, something, then automatically it is going to book the ticket. This is what agentic AI now industry is moving. Industry is doing a lot of POCs, they already done. They are doing a lot of things, then the practical things also in the future they implemented. Okay, in the future we will see this agentic AI kind of models also. Okay. So industry is moving here. Okay, industry is moving a lot of things. Not now. They are doing a lot of POCs. This for this agentic AI, they started the preparations maybe some 4 years, 3 years back they started. Lot of POCs. Okay, 3 years, 4 years back, they done lot of POCs. Now they successfully implementations are done. Now they are going to after implementation successful, then what they will do? They will deploy. That's it. The industry is going to be deployed directly. Then we will get after deployment, we will get some real-time application. We will get further to use the real-time application. We have to pay some subscription fees like this. That is what how they are doing business. That's it. This is entirely purely business here. Okay, entirely purely business. But sometimes not only business. Sometimes maybe we will get some satisfaction regarding something. Okay, yeah, we this is how the industry is changing. So depending upon industry changes and society needs, we also change our path. Okay, we also change our path. Industry changing, needs are changing. So our path also we have to change. Okay, not stick to the old kind of things. Okay, maybe some previous implements. Try to choose this AI kind of things and try to learn these things and try to get jobs on top of this AI. As I told, AI is the new electricity. Then you can understand that. This is not my statement. Okay, I'm not that much big to tell this statement. This statement is done by the famous scientist. Okay, famous scientist in the AI. They told this statement. AI is the new electricity. Okay, fine. Is there any doubts? You can please try to ask me anyone. Then, and one big thing is AI is going to be change every industry. That is the thing. That's why so many job opportunities, so many things are happening. Okay, it can be healthcare, it can be finance, it can be retail, it can be manufacturing, it can be education, it can be agriculture, it can be transportation, it can be media. You can take anything. Okay, in everywhere, some changes are happening. It is not particular for only one department. Okay, one industry. So come on, guys. Any doubts? Then why Python? Why you choose Python as a coding language here? Because whatever I told, machine learning, deep learning, all the things, we need to implement, right? So for that implementation, we need one coding language, right? So that coding language I chosen as one Python. Why Python? Come on, anybody answer? Anybody knows about Python? Come on, anyone? Come on, Uday. Are you there? Uday, Sampath, Bhupati?
Yeah, yes, sorry, Kumar. I was on mute.
Yeah, okay, okay. So why Python? Why I'm choosing the Python here? Do you know anything about Python?
Yeah, I do not have any knowledge on Python,
Okay,
Kumar.
okay,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, that is fine. Okay, Python is the one programming language. Okay, it's programming language. Yeah, okay, okay, it is a programming language. Okay, by using this programming language, what we can do, we can interact with the computers. To interact with with you, what I'm doing to interact with you, I'm using some English language or some Telugu, some other any language, Tamil or whatever. That is some language I'm using. Through that language, we are communicating. Okay, same like way to interact with the computers, we need some language. Okay, to interact with the computers to perform some tasks. Okay, I want to give some tasks to that computers. It's going to perform that. So for that, to do my tasks, I need one the communication. That is what here programming language I'm using. That programming language I chosen as Python. Why Python is? Python is very, very simple and easy. Very simple and easy. I will try to show one basic because there is non-Python guys are there, right? Okay, you are not having any knowledge about Python or any coding things. That is fine. Okay. And this anybody can do. Okay, anybody can learn this. No, not particular to only anybody can learn this AI. Okay, don't think that only industry people, maybe some tech already software learner knowledge we are having, already having some Python knowledge. Okay, already having some, maybe they are working some other tools. Okay, they only want to learn software people are only not to learn. Okay, you can any department. Okay, maybe you are some mechanical kind of thing. Maybe you are kind some that IT backend support. Maybe you are some that electrical okay department, maybe you are working somewhere, any private institutions, okay, you are working whatever it is. Okay, anybody who are interested into AI, they can learn this AI. Okay, anybody, not particular to one, not particular to only software people. Okay, don't think that only software guys, they are in the industry already, they want to only learn. Anybody can learn. Okay, because this anybody can learn is made very easy with the Python. Okay, if it is not Python, maybe it might be very difficult for us, for some other guys. Okay, because it is a Python, it is very, very easy. Okay, okay, I will try to show one simple example, then you can understand what the exactly Python, how it is shown. Okay, I will ask one question. Let's take some, you will do some lot of some financial transactions, right? Some logins, logouts we will do, some financial transactions we can do. At that time, you will get some OTPs. Do you know the OTPs? One-time password? One-time
Yes.
password, yeah. Some six-digit OTP will come. Hmm. This six-digit OTP, how it is coming? This implementation, how within the Python we can do. Okay. For this, we have to write some coding. Just imagine how many lines of code will come. Tell your guess. How many lines you will get?
So it's one or two lines since it's a notification message.
I want to, that is message. What I'm telling is, I want to get this OTP, right? I want to get this OTP.
The coding
Okay.
word.
Coding I'm telling. Yeah, coding I'm telling. I want to write coding for this OTP.
Just 4 to 5 lines of coding.
Yeah, 4 to 5 lines of coding. Okay. Okay, let's see this. Windows D, I'm going. I'm opening this. Ideally, I open. So here what I'm going to do is import, sorry, from random, import random. Okay. What is this random? Okay, random is one module and library. Okay. Within this random, a random is one function. Okay, I'm importing that. Okay. Okay. That is already there in the Python. Already by default, it is there in the Python. That thing only I'm going to be importing. So I'm using that. Okay. Okay. Then print. rand int of 0, 9. I'm using the rand int, comma, rand int 0, 9. I'm writing what I want. I want 6-digit OTP, right? What this rand int is going to do is, rand int is going to do randomly, we will get any digit within the 0 to 9. Okay, that's it. Control V, comma, control V. So why I want 6-digit, right? That's why 6 times I call. Rand int of
Correct.
0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9, 6 times. That's it. 2 lines of code. That's it. Okay. How within the 2 lines? You can't get within the 2 lines in other languages. Okay. This is the beauty of the Python. Okay. Just simple 2 lines. Okay. For doing some financial transactions for this OTP. Then when this AI is coming, okay, AI is integrated into a lot of the POSs are doing. Okay. This AI came to industry. Python given a lot of support. What the Python is did is Python given a lot of support open source, because Python is open source. Lot of people build their lot of libraries. Okay, what the meaning of a library is? Okay, you know about the library, right? In our school days or college days, we know the library. Hmm. What is that?
Yes.
The library. As a student, we will enter into this. I want to know some mechanical kind of department. I want some mechanical kind of books. Yes, you'll have some mechanical kind of books. No, I want some civil departments. Yes, you have civil departments. I want some computer kind of things. Computer. I want some BCom, BA, some the arts group. Yes, you will have. I want some computer books. Yes, you have. I want some mechanical, electrical, civil, some MBA, business management, all these things. As a student, I can go whatever department I can want. I can go to that department. Within the department, what I need, I can choose that book and I can read it. I can get some knowledge. Same thing for arts. Same thing apply for mechanical, electrical, civil, business. I can enter it. I can choose that book. I can read it. I can get some knowledge. Same. This is the concept apply for the Python's library. Python's one of the thing biggest positive is Python library. So you can, as a thing, you can go there. Okay, as a program, you can, as a industry person, you can go into the Python. You're having so many things. I want to develop some web application. I want to develop the finance application. I want to develop artificial intelligence kind of. Yeah,
Kumar,
yeah, please.
sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, now I have to drop my kid.
Yeah,
So
okay, sure, sure.
I am disconnecting the call, but I'll be getting in touch with Mr. Srinivas. Okay.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah,
sure,
yeah.
sure, sure.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, okay, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, you got some understanding, right?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So like
Thank you.
this. So
Yeah.
different kind of libraries are there. As you think, you can go enter into this. You can choose this. You want some web application kind of things, you can go there, web application. You can choose web application kind of libraries you can choose. No, I want some finance kind of application. You can enter into this library. You can choose finance kind of application. Yeah, like this different kind of departments are. Some the networking is there, some testing is there. Okay, some database connections. For this database connection we have different libraries. So Python is having n number of libraries. This is the one of the biggest advantage of the Python. Okay, anybody can learn it. Okay, anybody can go, they can choose that. So what this Python is done is they done a lot of things for AI. For AI we have libraries of NumPy, pandas, the scikit-learn, matplotlib, okay, and some TensorFlow. So many, okay, Keras, all these single libraries are there. Okay, by using all these libraries, we can implement easily. Okay, that's it. This is about the Python here. So thank you everyone. Any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, I can so try to conclude this. Come on, Bhupati and Sampath, you have any doubts?
No, all good. I joined as a little late. So I'll go through the recording. I'll check with Srinivas and
Okay, do you have any doubts, you can ask me. May I know that your department, your backend, you're coming
basically
from?
I actually am a cloud DBA.
Okay, Cloud DBA. Okay, good. Yeah.
So
Okay. Now you are
cloud
moving
DBA.
to, you want to switch, you want to know about the CI.
Correct.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Any doubts, you can ask me.
Yeah, I just joined from deep learning. So basically,
Okay. Oh,
yeah. Uh,
okay.
uh,
Okay.
well, I'll go through the recording. Anyway, recording is there, right?
Yeah, recording is there. Any doubts means apart from deep learning information, any doubts we can ask. Otherwise, yeah, fine.
It's all good.
Yeah,
Sir,
okay.
from yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And now what happened is on top of cloud also they're integrating this AIs. Okay. You know about the cloud, right? Already you are a cloud DBA. Then on top
Correct.
of the cloud also they are doing this AI things. Okay. Some
Correct.
different tools we are having. Okay, different services they are providing, right? Depending upon the service AWS and Azure and the GCP. Okay. We can do AI
Yeah.
also on top of this. Whatever we get to know all these things, same thing we are going to apply into on top of cloud. That's it. Same thing. Nothing more than that. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just closing this. Sampath, do you have any doubts?
I think he left the call.
Okay. Sampath, I think. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, Srinivas. I'm stopping here.